In today's video, we are going to dive into one of the most powerful hair growth remedy that nobody talks about. This is one of the underestimated powerhouse for hair growth. And do you know what? A lot of people throw it away. And I'm not talking about onion itself. I'm talking about the onion peel. Yeah, the back of the onions. The back of the onion that you put in your trash has a high powerful antioxidant that can reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation. It also contains sulfur, just like the onion itself, which can help promote hair growth. This is hair growth from the comfort of your home without spending a dime. The onion's peel also contains antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help you with scalp infection, dandruff, and any fungi, making sure your scalp is clean and healthy. What more can you ask for? After watching this video, I'll assure you that you will never throw away your onion peel. We are going to be using the onion peel to make a leave-in hair tea. You can also rinse it out if you want, but for the purpose of this video, I am going to be using it as a leave-in spray. To get started with the preparation, the first thing I need to do is to take out the onion peel from the onion itself. With this, hope I'm able to convince you that hair growth doesn't have to be expensive or tedious. Hair growth can be cheap, easy, and chemical free if you know how to utilize the things you have around you. Try this out for 6 weeks for your hair transformation. This is one of those neglected remedies that actually work. People don't really talk about it. I actually saw this on an Indian lady's YouTube channel. She also does hair content. So I tried it and it works really well. If you can stick to this for 6 weeks, your hair will never remain the same. Because of the sulfur content, this ensures stronger strands, less breakage, and healthier hair growth. This recipe is quite simple. You don't need a lot for it. Basically, all you need is the onions peel, a cup of water, and a pot to cook. While some people might be surprised to see this, I know some other people must have used it because I am not the only one who have tried this out. If you have tried this before, let us know in the comment section. If you haven't tried this but you're willing to give it a try, comment "I will try it" in the comment section. Also, ensure you don't include anyone that is bad. If you come across any peel that is fungus infected, please take it out and only use the fresh ones. In order not for this video to be too long, I took out the remaining peels behind the camera. Now I am done taking them out. I'll go ahead and drop the onion and we'll come back to the peel. No matter how fresh your peel might be looking, be rest assured that there are dirt on it. So what I'm trying to say is that washing it is very important. You can't use it like this without washing it. This will take away all the dandruff and the scalp irritation. It will strengthen your hair from the root. It will stimulate hair growth over time, and it will add shine and softness to your hair. So the peel has a lot of dust and dirt. So we are going to give it a good wash, but do not scrub. You're going to gently just rinse out the dirt. In case you want to know, there are some things that differentiate the onions bulb, that is the main onions, and the peel. For example, onions bulb itself contains high sulfur, while the peel contains moderate sulfur content. 2. The onions bulb contains a very low quercetin, while the peel contains a very high quercetin. This is a powerful antioxidant that reduces scalp inflammation. Thirdly, the onion bulb itself is perfect for onion juice or onion oil, while the peel is perfect for tea rinses or a leave-in sprays. Fourthly, the onion bulb itself has a stronger smell, while the peel has a mild smell. So if you're somebody who doesn't like onion juice because of the strong smell, you can option out for this one. This one doesn't smell that much. After washing out the dirt, I then transferred it into a pot, and then I added in 1 cup of water. I don't have any measurement for this. You can put little or more water if you desire. The fifth difference between the onions peel and then the onions bulb is that onions bulb itself directly grow out your hair from the scalp, while this one will strengthen and add shine to your hair. If your hair is strong enough, then it won't break. Less breakage is equals to more length retention, so do not play on this. After that, I went ahead to put it on the fire. So we are going to be cooking this for at least 10 to 20 minutes, just until it start boiling and the water has turned to purple. So because we are using the purple onion, the water will turn to purple. If you're using the white or the yellow onion, do not expect your water to turn purple. So what I'm trying to say is that the color of your tea determines the type of onion you're using. Once you notice the water has changed color, like purple, depending on the kind of onion you're using, your onion peel is looking weak, then you know that your tea rinse is ready. Off the gas and then let it cool off a bit. Without wasting much of your time, let me show you how I use this on my hair. Be rest assured that I will demonstrate everything I make on this channel so you guys can see that I also use it. I don't just make videos for people to watch. I use every single thing on my hair. So basically, all you need to do is pour it on your hair and then massage it. If you are using it as a rinse out tea, endeavor that you shampoo your hair first. Make sure you're using it on a clean scalp. Shampoo your hair first, then massage it in. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes, then rinse it out with ordinary water. The smell is not as strong as the onion, so you can use it as a leave-in. You can apply it to your scalp and then leave it to sit in your hair for as long as you want, just as I'm doing in this video. If you don't like the smell, you can drop in some essential oil or you can mix it with orange or lemon peel just to neutralize the smell. But the smell is not really bad. It's something you can take. It is not as strong as onion itself. So you can make this and store it in your refrigerator for as long as 1 month and nothing will happen to it. You can use this 4 to 5 times weekly. If you're struggling with breakage, hair loss, alopecia, be rest assured that this is going to help you. This is going to strengthen your hair and make your hair stronger so your hair will stop falling out. I know I've said it before, but I'm going to say it again. You can decide to wash it out or leave it. For somebody who wants to wash it out, feel free to wash it out. If you want to leave it, also feel free to leave it. But it is better when you leave it on your scalp. Just give this 6 weeks of consistent use. Your shedding will reduce, your hair will start growing, your hair will become thicker, and it doesn't cost you a dime. You don't have to spend a dime to make this. Just hair growth from your kitchen. So if you have any question pertaining to this, do not hesitate to ask. So stop throwing away your onion peel. Keep them and use them to make an amazing hair growth spray that will take care of your dandruff, itchy scalp, and scalp irritation, and also strengthen your hair. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe, and also share to your loved ones, those who are having issues with their hair. Maybe this will help them. You can tweak things a little bit by adding rosemary to it. And I want to also say a big thank you to my 9K subscribers. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you for watching. I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye. And if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe before you leave. All right. You are supporting me. Thank you. God bless you.